In this video, I show you how to fix Google search history not showing problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Google app is up to date. Now go to Play Store. Now search for Google app. Tap on it. Update if available any update version. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then tap on see all apps. Now search Google. Tap on it. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open Google app. Now click on search. You can see that here Google search history. Now I hope that this method fixes Google search history not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to